Hi, it's Marisa from BumblebeeApothecary.com. Today I'd like to share with you some of the many and amazing sauerkraut benefits. I'm going to have a link in the description box below to my full written blog post on this same topic, and there will be links to sources cited so that you can look up those if you're interested. I also have a video where I show you how to make sauerkraut, so if you are interested in learning how to make it, I'll have that video linked below and definitely go check that out. I'm also going to be doing a new video coming out pretty soon where I show how to make a big batch of sauerkraut in a crock. So stay tuned and watch for that. So where did sauerkraut come from? It's thought that it originated in China over 2,000 years ago. Sauerkraut is a traditional fermentation technique that was a method to preserve vegetables. So before people had refrigeration, they would have lots of cabbages that they would harvest, and they needed a way to keep them good and edible all throughout the winter. Sauerkraut especially became popular in Germany. One of the really neat things about sauerkraut is that it offers nutritional benefits far beyond what just fresh cabbage can offer. It's actually a source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. It improves digestion, it's really good for your gut, it's very easy to digest, and it has far more probiotics than yogurt does. Sauerkraut boosts your immune system. Here's a little tip that you'll want to keep in mind. If you feel yourself coming down with a cold, you can drink a shot of sauerkraut juice from your homemade fermented sauerkraut, or even a glass if you're brave enough, and it can stop a cold right in its tracks. Some people say that consuming sauerkraut on a regular basis can even reduce your risk for certain cancers. It's basically good for your whole body, including your brain, your heart, your bones. Dutch sailors used sauerkraut to treat scurvy. Scurvy is an illness that happens when you're deficient in vitamin C. It would oftentimes happen to sailors when they were out on the ocean for a long period of time and they did not have access to fresh food. But the neat thing about sauerkraut is that it's so high in vitamin C and it's preserved, so it was the perfect thing for them to bring along to prevent scurvy. And those Dutch sailors are actually who first brought sauerkraut to the United States. You can buy live fermented probiotic sauerkraut, or you can make it yourself. Making it yourself is always better because you get far more beneficial bacteria that way. The sauerkraut in the store that is advertised as raw and probiotic is oftentimes lightly pasteurized, which kills off some of those good bacteria. So it's better to just make it yourself. You can really eat as much sauerkraut as you want. Pay attention to your body and how it's handling it. If you're new to eating fermented foods, you'll want to start very slowly and work your way up. But once you know what your body can handle, you can eat as much as you want, as often as you want. Our favorite ways to eat sauerkraut are with any kind of meat, really. It's especially delicious with different kinds of sausages. We even like it in the morning alongside some bacon. It's good on different sandwiches and burgers, and it's really delicious. Like I said, I have a video that shows you exactly how to make sauerkraut. I also have lots of other fermenting videos, various things. Leave me a comment down below and let me know, what do you like to eat sauerkraut with? I'll have a link below to one of the places where you can buy some live probiotic sauerkraut, as well as some fermentation equipment if you'd like to make it yourself. There'll also be a link, like I said, to my blog post with this full written article. I also have the sauerkraut recipe on my blog. Also check out that description box for some freebies. There's some ebook, checklists, labels, printables, good things like that. Okay, if you liked this video and found it interesting or helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with anybody else who you think would like to learn about the benefits of sauerkraut. Here on my channel, I show you how to make nourishing recipes for nutrient-dense food, natural remedies, and DIY skincare and home products. So if those are something that you're interested in and you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I get out 2 videos every week. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.